Hi, in this video, I will show how to reinstall Windows 8 and 8.1 by using Reset Your PC feature, which will reset your computer to a factory condition or clean state. By using this method, all programs will be removed. This includes drivers and updates too. It will be like you install fresh Windows. You can check more details about reset in this video description. So let's start by open Settings Charm. Press Windows and I keyboard shortcut and click Change PC Settings at bottom right of the screen. Next, on Windows 8.1, select Update and Recovery and click Recovery. Then select Get Start button under Remove Everything and Reinstall Windows section. After that, you may have to insert your Windows installation or recovery media. When insert the media, you can review what reset will do to your system and click Next. If you have more than one drive on your system, you can select to remove files on all drives or only the system drive. You can click Show me the list of drives to see drives in your system. In this example, I have my data on D drive, which I want to keep it. So I select the option Only the drive where Windows is installed. Next, you can select how to remove files. The first option, Just remove my files, will remove your file by formatting the drive. But the second option, Fully clean the drive, will write some random data to every sector on the drive, which will make it harder to recover your files back. It should be used when you're going to donate this PC or giving it to someone else. In this example, I select the first option, Just remove my files. Then, click Reset to begin the process. And now start resetting your system. When the reset finishes, your system will be rebooted and it will configure Windows as if you are installing Windows. On this page, select your country and time zone and click Next. On License Terms, click I accept to continue. On Personalize, enter your computer name and click Next. On Settings, I select Use Express Settings as example. Then, Windows will try to connect to the Internet to let you log in using Windows account. If you don't have access to the Internet at this time or you want to use local account, select Create a local account. Next, enter username and password for the account and click Finish. And now it is installing Windows apps. In this example, it took about 24 minutes to reset Windows, including installing Windows and configure settings. Then, you see the desktop like you have just done clean install Windows. And my files in C drives are all removed. As you can see that there is no file in my Documents, Download, and Videos folders. But my data on D drives are safe because I select to remove files only the system drive. And about Windows activation, you don't need to reactivate Windows again if it is already activated before. This including Microsoft Office. If it's already activated before the reset, it remains activated after you install it too. Next, you can do some system configuration, such as change IP address, change desktop background, and install programs. And finally, you get fresh Windows in the state that you want. So that's it for this video. I hope it be useful. If you have any question or suggestion, please post below. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.